Carlton, Carlton, Carlton.
Oh, go on, babes.
Oh, me I feel some pain.
You good,
Me think me
babes?
have to go down a hospital. He look like me taking fi have the baby.
With the
And
right at your foot.
pain me I feel. Hurry up and come. Come carry me down a hospital. Alright, alright. And don't make me have to call you back, you know. Denise, Denise, I wonder everybody me I call them now answer me. Let's see if the number right. Denise, oh, it look like me taking. See if you can come up, come help me if you go down at the hospital.
Alright, Keisha, me there at town, me soon come.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Ay, ay, woo, woo, ay. Pain them a come on hard. Me call my Carlton. Carlton, how far you reach? The pain them
Me
a
there
come
right a
sharp,
pang
sharp.
shop ya come,
Hurry
right
up.
a corner ya.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Let me drink the water. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ay. Mm. Mm. Ai, ui, ai, ui, ui, ai. Denise, Denise,
No, Keisha, me not see.
you see Carlton on the road when you come from town?
No,
Because me
it's
I
a
tell you
drive
say
me
no.
get, me no
Me
see
call
him.
Carlton over 1 hour now and tell him say me take in fi have the baby. And he tell me say in 5 minutes time and it a go 1 hour now. Eh? Not more than he must go look for one and whole jing bang dirty woman them out the road. Eh? Because every taxi come up and ask them say if they see him on the road and they say they don't see him on the road. Hmm? I look from when me I call him. Hmm? I mean I tell you say about 2 hours now. Eh? About 2 hours now me I feel pain. I mean I want the head water bus for me a road. I mean I want nothing to happen to me picnic. Me I go see if me call one other taxi coming I go sit down and wait for Carlton. And the pain I take me hard. Me can't even bother with all them or something here for me right here now. Hmm? Me want to be free. Hmm? The pain them man, the pain. Ow! See if I get one of that taxi there for me then is.
Try nobody call me Sarene,
See
too
if you
slow.
call Brooksy. Ooh. Ooh. Ay. Nurse. 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 Mom, relax yourself, mom. Relax yourself. Relax yourself. The baby a come. Relax yourself. Nurse. The baby. The baby a come. The baby a come. Relax yourself, mom. Relax. Nurse. A dirty Carlton, from the time you say you come for come carry me go hospital for your baby, after me tell you say me take in for your baby. You just a come when the baby born. Me don't want to hear nothing from you.
things I'm bring for you.
Carlton, me don't want to hear nothing from you.
When you tell me say you take in a hop and up and down,
Because you
up
come
and
when
down
the
to
baby
get some
born,
things for you,
Carlton.
babes.
When the baby
Because we never
born,
want
at
to come
that time you
empty
come.
handed, you know.
Don't want to hear nothing
You
from
understand? See, we bring all a little one bun for you. But not even
Oh, you mean say baby no look like your Carlton? Oh, you mean they tell me say baby favorite Chinese? Well, me not no Chinese in my family, and me no know nobody a Chinese. So me don't know where you talk about a young baby just born, not even catching in family already. In no favor nobody at all. A baby when just born. Just born. He can't get him familiarity already. Kind just born.
Like Chinese man picking.
You expect baby when just born fi favor somebody? That even one day old?
Him say baby bad, you know?
Well, be glad he no ugly like you, Carlton. Oh.
Wagwan,
I
flashy.
mean baby favor.
I hope I
And me
hospital
Kesha
when
baby
they know with
favor.
bombs, you know.
Upa me baby.
A bouncing baby
Oh, sure.
boy.
What kind of baby may have? You're lucky.
Yes. Yeah, man, I would never stand up to my responsibility, man. Yeah, man. And a mom stick me off of the gilding truck.
You get girl.
Yeah, man.
And come off of the gilding
I'm
truck.
happy.
You should end up on the gilding truck same way. Because you're not going with nothing as a man.
Alright, later we pull our strength and drink up to liquor, celebrate the thing, you know? Alright.